Guys, look at how crazy this is. $61,270 every single month. This is new monthly recurring revenue, meaning they're not actually making 61,000. They're making way more than 61,000, but for this month alone, they have added new monthly recurring revenue, meaning they're receiving an additional £61,270 every single month. This is how you can turn your keepers straight up front right now and tell you guys is to own a community. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how some people out there, Hamza in particular, are absolutely crushing it, and how you can build your own community as well, and how it could genuinely change your life and take you to the next level. I'll show you guys from my own community here. But to get the gist, basically, you have a landing page, which is the about page, and you can put anything there in the landing page. You can charge however much you want to charge. So your group to join your digital online community is $9 per month, for example, in this case. You can put whatever price, $99 per month, $900 per month. It's up to you. But this is exactly how you turn your yearly income into a monthly income. You need to think to yourself, well, if I'm receiving, for example, I don't know, 39 grand per year, how on earth can I turn that into a monthly income without doing something extremely crazy? Think of that, to make 39k per month every single month. That is an extremely daunting task. But the way people have been able to do it is just to convert all of your products that you have online. This is out to my Christians out there, guys, okay? God called us not to be brokies in this kingdom. Our kingdom is above, of course, but the diamonds were for God's children, not Satan's people, okay? So if whether you're Christian or not, this is for you, and exactly how you can do it, and exactly how I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. Okay, so you, my friend, you can create this community. To host a community is going to cost you about $99 every single month. Okay, you can get this community started, and you can start it by free or paid. So I'll show you guys a free one right now. Let's show you, for example, Hamza's community. Another person who's absolutely crushing this as well with this business model is Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate, the Tate brothers. If you haven't heard of them, I'm sure you have. Okay, I had some silly goose in the comment section of one of my other videos. Oh, I haven't heard of them. Yeah, of course. Being cheeky for no reason. Just be real. Be real. Okay, so they're absolutely crushing it. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. I'll be super intrigued to find out. But they're absolutely crushing it. Why? They're providing value. Some of the people who are out there, they think that they're not providing value. They are providing tremendous amount of value. And there's a lot of success stories as well. But they charge, I believe, $49 per month. And they've got about 200,000 students. So if you do the maths, per month, they could easily be pulling in like $19 million every single month. So the way people have been able to do it, not only just Hamza, but if you go to school.com, if you go to the directory right here, okay, or discover communities, if you click on that, we're currently on my community, but if you just click on that, link will be in the description down below, okay? We're currently on my community, but if you click on that and you scroll through, these are some of the communities. You can see 133,000 members in this one, which is Hamza's one. Adonis Gang is now saying $1 per month, but it wasn't $1 per month for 130 something, 32,000 of these members. It was completely free to be able to join. And then they have a paid version, which was somewhere down here below, but it's fallen all the way maybe to page 2. But anyways, they had the paid version, which you can then go ahead and join the free one, and then essentially join the paid one. So basically you have a freemium version and a paid version. You get people to join the free version. Once they join the free version, you upsell them to the paid version. Job done. Somewhere in the description down below, I might actually do this for you guys. Somewhere in the description down below, I'll probably have a second link, which is an affiliate link. But if you click on that, it gives you a 14-day trial to be able to try your community absolutely for free and see whether you're going to get, you're going to make money running off with it by providing value. Put your courses on there like so. I'll show you guys. Put your courses on there like so. So you can put classrooms. You can have all of your courses on here like so. And then when people join, they can pay you basically to join. Okay, they pay you to join, you provide value, you have live calls, you have all sorts of things to keep them engaged, to keep them joining the community and keep them active and so forth, because they are paying monthly. And I'm telling you guys, the possibility to make income like this whilst you sleep, it is insane. Whether you're Christian, you can base this around anything. Anything. If you click Discover Communities, you can see there's business communities. Okay, this is a paid one, 14.3k members, as you can see, 31.2k members. So some of these people are literally making, you know what? Should I do this? If I go on School Games, I'm going to show you guys. You guys are going to see the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard for people who are currently crushing it. Look at this person. Guys, 61,000 every single month. This is new monthly recurring revenue. So this is new money that's just been added this month for that group. So meaning they've added on top of whatever they were making prior, they've now added an additional $61,000 per month. Think about that. Hence the title of this video, how to turn your yearly income into a monthly income. It's more than possible. People have been able to do it. Now, what you need to do though is you just need to have the clout, aka the fame, the traffic, the eyeballs. These people, they've got the eyeballs, whether they're getting the traffic from Facebook ads, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is what it is. But you drive the traffic to join your Facebook group, or not your Facebook group, your school group, and then they will land on their back page. So you have the link somewhere in the description down below. They'll land on this page for everybody. So everybody that clicks on the link on this video will land on this page, for example. Right now it's at $9 per month to join my group, but it might not be. It might jump back up to $99 per month, or even cheaper, depending on, you know, what's going on promotion wise. And then you gain access to all of these courses. So my dropshipping courses, which I used to sell, all of this stuff, the YouTube Influencer Academy, how I built this channel to the subscribers that is currently on right now. And then you make money every single month. It's that simple. It is that simple. It's simple, but I didn't say it's easy. I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys, okay? I'm not here to lie to you guys. I'm just literally being transparent with you guys. Simple doesn't mean easy, but it doesn't mean super hard as well. You just need to become creative and you need to find traffic and push the traffic towards this page, and then provide tremendous amount of value where people are like, oh my days. Like, I mean, you see the community that we have right here. So if all of these people were able to join and find value in it, so it's like, do you get what I mean? So you want to provide value for people where people are like, oh, this is actually good. I can see myself being in this group, carrying on, engaging, posting posts. These are the tabs that they can post under: faith, fitness, and finance. More here wins, ask for advice, relationship, S&T changed my life, which stands for School Never Taught, as you guys know already. This is the calendar for the calls that take place every single week. And then it shows also the leaderboard and all sorts of things, okay? But this is how people are being able to absolutely crush it. I mean, I just showed you guys the monthly revenue. The second place, we've got 38,000 every single month. New added as well. Newly added. We've got 22. And it just carries on going down and down and down and down. We've got Justin. We've got, is this Goose, the Goose I'm thinking of? Okay, no, I thought it was Goose Wayne. I was like, wow, Goose Wayne is absolutely crushing it. Look at this person. $997 per month to join this group. Wow. This is exactly what I was telling you guys. Okay, so they're getting tremendous amount of traffic because you can see the views right here. 993 views. This is a Loom video, I'm assuming. And yeah, they've got members, okay? So this is what you get basically. So replace, I don't know, replace MailChimp. So yeah, Hotspot, Podium. All right, so they've got a value stack. This is called a value stack. They have a value stack of what you're going to be achieving when you join the group, what you can achieve, should we say, and then you go ahead and join the group. And as you guys can see, it's $997 per month, and you can carry on paying per month or whenever you want to leave, you can leave. But this is how people are absolutely crushing it. This was a literally transparent video. I said, I'm just going to keep it real, keep it 100% with the people who do want to take action. And if you do want to take action, you're going to go ahead and do it. If not, you're just going to be the same lazy guy who never tries anything, but you're always curious as to why it works out for everybody else except for you. Do you understand? So whether you try or not is up to you, but I'm a doer, so I try. And if it flops, it didn't work, so be it. Great. At least I don't have the regret of thinking to myself, oh my God, what if it worked? What if it didn't? So all my Christians out there, all my non-Christians, take action. The best way to go about this, if you don't have the clout, if you don't have the traffic, you can become a growth operator. If you don't know what growth operating is, a quick YouTube search and you're going to find out exactly what I'm talking about. Growth operators, basically, they find someone with clout, fame, and they put them on, essentially. So they say, well, you've got all of this fame, all of this clout. How about we collaborate together? So we bring your clout together with my business savviness. I'm going to run the community. You don't have to touch anything to do with the community. Just carry on building the content the same way you've been doing content. It's a full-time job in and of itself being a content creator. I understand that. You carry on doing that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to manage the entire community by myself. That's my proposition. So this way, they carry on doing what they're doing, 50-50 split. You ask for $3,000, $1,000 up front, whatever number you decide on, the initial start to get everything started. And then you split the profit, 50-50. You're managing full-time the whole entire community so that they don't have to touch a thing. You want them to focus on traffic. Traffic is how this works. Traffic is how this is built. Hamza wouldn't have been able to do this without traffic. This lady, Faith Films Academy, wouldn't have been able to do it without traffic, meaning eyeballs. None of these groups here would be able to do it without traffic. Traffic is the only thing that's going to make this work. So if you can't get traffic, if you can't get people to watch your videos or to build some form of a cult-like following, as they say, you're going to struggle. But if you can find someone, as I said, if you go the growth operator method and you can find someone, then by all means, go ahead and do that. So if you guys want me to create a growth operator course as well and to put it in School Never Taught, I can do so. And maybe we could see what we could do about that and carry on things that way. I can do so if you guys want it and if you guys are joining. But join because this price is going to be jumping up very, 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 very soon. You might even, in this video, it might be already or literally already like $99. Okay, so join if you wish to. We're Christian. We're working on faith, fitness, and finance, basically obtaining success without losing God. So go ahead and join. I strongly encourage you. If you want, if you don't want, by all means, it is what it is. Do what you gotta do, boo-boo. That's your problem, not mine. That sounds like a you problem, not a my problem. So as I said, these are all the groups who are absolutely crushing it. You guys saw the numbers. Alex Hormozi is also invested in this business that's called School. You can see him literally right there. He breaks down some of this. You're going to gain access to this as well if you click. And if you do want to start your own school community as well, the second link will be in the description as well, which says basically to your trial for 14 days. Okay, so click that. It gives your boy a little kickback for showing you this, but hey, it's up to you. I'm an action taker. If you do want to try it out, it's free. Try it out. If not, then okay, so be it. You get what I mean? It's up to you. But I'd much rather try something and it didn't work out than live with the feeling of regret. What if I tried? What if this? And it's way too late. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, obviously. But guys, it's more than possible to turn yourself around. Go from literally broke, super broke, to making a yearly income into a monthly income. This is exactly how these people are doing it. All right, so smash the like button, subscribe button is down below. Both of those two links to join my community or the second link for you creating your own community will be in the description down below. And you, my friend, I'll catch you in the next video. Check out this video right here. Seek first the kingdom of God and the rest will be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. God bless you all. And yeah, bye-bye.